So we like when the state gives us an equation in y equals format, but that's not always going to be the case. If we put this on Decimal's calculator, y plus 3 equals 5 parentheses x minus 2, it's going to give us an error because we need to solve for y. So the difference between this one and the standard form is this. If you look over here on this side of the equal sign, we don't have an x value. So our goal is to have it as y equals. So we have a y here and an equals here. What is on the way? The plus 3. So this is just a one-step deal. So it's y equals, and then I type all this out exactly the way it is, and I'm just missing the positive 3. Because I'm going to get this number and move it over to the other side of the equal sign, is going to be the opposite of plus 3, which is going to be minus 3. And that's it. This is just a one-step deal. Move the plus 3 over to the minus 3. And you're ready to put this on Decimals to either find a graph, a table, find information that the state is wanting to ask you. But you already know how to solve for y on these. Again, this only works if the number that you're moving over does not have an x.